In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix mouse lag, slowness, and jerky movement while drawing in AutoCAD. If your cursor feels sticky, jumps around, or lags behind your hand, these quick checks will help you restore smooth, precise control. Start by opening AutoCAD and loading a drawing you are comfortable testing with, so you can immediately feel the difference after each change. First, turn off grid snap. A jumpy cursor often means it's snapping to the grid instead of moving freely. Press F9 to toggle snap mode off, or type snap into the command line and set it to off. You can also glance at the status bar and make sure the snap icon isn't lit. Once snap is off, move your mouse around the canvas and try a short line. This alone fixes many jerky cursor issues. Next, adjust hardware acceleration. In the command search or command line, type graphics config. Set hardware acceleration to on to let your graphics card handle display tasks. If it's already on but performance still feels worse than expected, try temporarily turning it off and testing movement again. Sometimes an outdated or incompatible driver can cause stutter. Toggling this setting helps you identify whether the GPU or CPU gives you smoother results. Leave it on whichever setting feels best. Now, turn off selection preview. Type selection preview and set it to 0. This disables the highlight effect when your cursor hovers over objects, which can cause lag in heavy drawings with lots of geometry. You'll still be able to select objects normally. You just won't get the hover highlight that can slow things down. Then, turn off dynamic input. Press F12 to quickly toggle it. Or type DIN mode and set it to 0. Dynamic input shows prompts and values near your cursor, which can be convenient but also resource-intensive. With it off, prompts appear in the command line, giving you a leaner, faster feel as you draw and edit. Finally, disable UCS detection. Type UCS detect and set it to 0. This stops AutoCAD from automatically detecting and aligning the UCS to geometry under your cursor, which can trigger constant recalculations, especially in complex or 3D heavy files. You can still set the UCS manually whenever you need it, but turning off automatic detection removes an unnecessary performance hit. After these changes, test by moving your cursor, drawing a few lines, and panning around. You should notice smoother movement and more responsive input. If one specific change made the biggest difference, keep that setting while you work. Thanks for watching.